How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro Plus side panel. You will need a 6mm Allen wrench to complete this procedure. If you are replacing a right side panel, you will also need a pry tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and a manual Phillips head screwdriver. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. If you are replacing a right side panel, starting at a corner, use the pry tool to pry the tablet shroud away from the chair. Using a small flathead screwdriver, pry the tablet cover off the chair. Using a manual Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the front of the tablet to the chair. Using the same screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the rear of the tablet to the chair. Lift the tablet out of the chair, disconnect the connectors, then remove the tablet. Using a 6mm Allen wrench, remove the bolt that secures the front of the side panel to the chair. Unzip the backrest pad from the side panel. Slide the side panel forward, then lift it to detach it. Do not pull the side panel any farther away from the chair than is necessary to access the hoses and connectors, to avoid damaging the connectors. Detach the air hoses. Disconnect the connectors. Note the left side panel only has the rear connector. Remove the side panel from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Note the horseshoe bracket and the horizontal bracket on the new side panel. Note the corresponding post and the horizontal frame on the chair. Connect the hoses in numerical order, making sure each hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Connect the connectors. Note the left side panel only has the rear connector. Install the side panel onto the chair by sliding the horseshoe bracket over the post, then lowering the horizontal bracket onto the horizontal chair frame. Zip the side panel to the backrest pad. Replace the bolt and washer to secure the front of the side panel. If you are replacing a right side panel, connect the tablet connector to the corresponding connector from the chair. Lower the tablet into position, pushing the connectors into the side panel, then align the screw holes. Using a manual Phillips head screwdriver, replace the 3 screws that secure the front of the tablet. Using the same screwdriver, replace the 3 screws that secure the rear of the tablet. Place the tablet cover into position, with the notches facing the inside of the chair, then press down firmly to secure it. Note the posts on the tablet shroud and the corresponding sockets on the chair. Align the posts with the sockets, then press the shroud firmly into position. Make sure all of the tabs slide under the fin, and that the shroud covers the fin. Using both hands, press the chair and the shroud firmly together from one end to the other to ensure that the shroud is secure. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.